Monday, July 29, 2024. Saint Martha, Mary, and Lazarus. Focus. Martha, Martha, you are anxious and troubled about many things, but one thing is necessary. There is much of Martha in me. When expecting guests, I go into overdrive, bustling about to keep the house spick and span. Meal cooked to perfection, best linen in place. I snap at my family for not helping enough. Finally, I am so tense and tired that I am barely able to enjoy my guests. Many of us are like Martha at special occasions, be it a christening, a communion, and most of all at a wedding. Our thoughts and plans are all about the celebration, while the sacrament itself receives scant attention. We are usually content to leave the spiritual preparation to the priests and fail to take much interest. Jesus gazes at us, perhaps in exasperation, and reminds us that only one thing is necessary. It is Him we must look to. Today's Psalm teaches those who look to Him are radiant. The best way to prepare for any celebration is to sit at the feet of Jesus like lazy Mary. Jesus meets us in the sacrament, His hands overflowing with spiritual gifts for us. But if our heart and mind are elsewhere, we may fail to receive His invaluable graces. Fruit. Saint Francis Xavier was diligent in teaching us the one thing necessary: love for Jesus. He would want us to spread the same love in our family and community.